Good morning! I'm Teacher Jane. It's nice to see you again. Today, we're going to do a simple activity and try to answer the given questions afterwards. Are you ready? Okay, let us begin. Okay, so we're going to find out the muscle to bone connection. What you need. So you have to prepare whole chicken leg, forceps, and scalpel. What to do? Okay, so here are the steps. Using your two hands, firmly press your leg muscles. Okay, press your leg muscles. Then next, feel the texture of your muscles from the calf to the ankle. Okay, feel it. Next, for number 2, feel the back of your heels. Okay, is it soft as your calf muscles? Okay, did you see the difference with your leg muscles and your back of your heels? Next, number 3. Okay, get the chicken leg. Hold its two ends. Then try to bend, then straighten it. Do the muscles break up? The bones as you bend or straighten it? Didn't it? So you have to bend and then straighten it. Bend and then straighten it again. Next, number 4. With the use of a scalpel, use your scalpel. Remove the skin of the chicken leg. Can you distinguish the muscles from the bone? Okay. For number 5, stretch the muscle tissues. Okay, stretch it out. What do you find between the muscle fibers and tissues? Did you observe that? Okay, for the last, look at the lower end of the chicken leg. What do you find aside from the muscle and bones? Okay, look at closer. Okay, so after the activity, so we're going to answer these two questions. You have to write your answers briefly. Okay, for number 1, how is a muscle connected to another muscles? And number 2, how is the muscles connected to the bone? Okay, you may write your answer. I'll give you enough time to answer that. You may begin. Okay, so we move on with the last part. So after writing your conclusion, you're going to choose the correct answer on the 5 questions that I have made for you. For number 1, what is the skeletal muscle? So you have to choose from A, B, C, or D. Next, number 2, what is the main function of muscles? So from your activity, can you tell the main function of muscles? Next, number 3, which can be done without the use of muscles? Okay, so jumping, digestion, swimming, or none of the above. For number 3, what connects the skeletal muscle to the bone? We have A, ligaments, B, origin, C, tendon, and D, point of insertion. For the last number, how do the skeletal muscles enable us to move? A, by contracting and pulling to the bone. B, by relaxing and pushing to the bone. C, by pulling and pushing the bone. Or D, by contracting and relaxing. Okay, you may begin answering.